Hello everybody, and welcome back to Tutoroo's channel. As many of you suggested, in today's video, we will explore 10 common phrasal verbs with the word take. Phrasal verbs can be tricky, especially when you're just beginning to study English grammar. That's why we will create a comprehensive playlist dedicated to this topic. Each video will focus on a single phrasal verb, making it easier for you to grasp and remember the knowledge. By breaking it down step by step, you'll build a strong understanding over time. Once you understand them, they'll make your English sound much more natural. In today's video, we will explore 10 common phrasal verbs with the word take, followed by their meanings and sentences. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and notification buttons to always stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks. Now let's dive right in. Our first phrasal verb is take after. It means to resemble a family member, either in appearance or behavior. For example, she really takes after her mother. They both have the same laugh. Next up, we have take up. Take up means to start a new hobby, activity, or interest. For example, he decided to take up painting after he retired. Next, we have take over. This means to assume control or responsibility for something. For instance, the new manager will take over the project starting next week. Next up, we have take on. Take on has a couple of meanings. It can mean to accept a challenge or responsibility, or to hire someone. For example, she's ready to take on more responsibilities at work. Or, the company is taking on new employees. Next, we have take in. Take in can mean to fully understand or absorb information, or to allow someone to stay in your home. For example, it was a lot of information to take in during the meeting, or they took in a stray cat last winter. Next is take off. This phrasal verb has several meanings, including to remove something, to leave quickly, or for an airplane to depart. For instance, please take off your shoes before entering the house. Or, he had to take off right after the meeting. And, the plane will take off in 30 minutes. Next, let's look at take back. Take back means to return something to where it came from, or to retract a statement. For example, I need to take back these books to the library. Or, he apologized and took back what he said. Next, we have take out. Take out has several meanings, such as to remove something from a place, to go on a date, or to kill or destroy something or someone. For instance, can you take out the trash? Or, he took her out to dinner last night. And, the sniper was able to take out the target. Next, we have take down. Take down means to remove something from a higher position, or to write something down. For example, we need to take down the decorations after the party. Or, the teacher asked us to take down the notes. Lastly, let's look at take apart. Take apart means to disassemble something into pieces. For example, he took apart the engine to see what was wrong. And that's it for today! I hope you found these examples helpful. If you did, please don't forget to let us know in the comments section below. Which phrasal verb do you find challenging and would like us to cover in an upcoming video? Until next time, happy learning everyone!